Have you ever wondered if age really defines beauty? Claudia Schiffer is here to challenge that notion as she celebrates her 54th birthday under the sunny skies of Greece. Before diving into her inspiring story, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting that like button. At this age, Claudia effortlessly continues to shine, flaunting her amazing figure in a striking white bikini. Her social media followers were treated to a captivating video showcasing her confidence and charisma, proving to all that elegance transcends time. The legendary supermodel who stands alongside her husband, renowned filmmaker Matthew Vaughn, embodies grace and resilience. Sporting chic sunglasses and a joyful smile, she radiates the essence of summer but the happiness of self-acceptance. Claudia's perspective on aging is refreshing. She believes that every year is worthy of celebration, just like a birthday cake. The way she honors her milestones serves as a powerful reminder for many to embrace their age with pride. Her husband Matthew, co-owner of March Studios and creator of the Kingsman series, has had a remarkable year despite some ups and downs. In Hollywood, the union not only flourishes romantically, but also as partners in the world of entertainment, creating a dynamic force in cinema. Recent financial reports from their studio revealed astounding revenues, showcasing their hard work success. Even amidst projects like the highly anticipated Argylle, their commitment to excellence remains unwavering, despite fluctuating reviews and audience reactions, or the release of that. Argylle, an ambitious project featuring stars such as Dua Lipa and Henry Cavill, faced its fair share of challenges. Critics have not held back, labeling it a mixed bag of entertainment, while audiences found it somewhat enjoyable, despite the harsh reviews. As the film navigates its journey, it attempts to delve into the life of a best-selling spy novelist, whose fictional plots dramatically intertwine with reality. Yet as reviews poured in, it became clear that not everyone was enthralled with the execution. And one thing rings true, though. Claudia's unwavering spirit shines through regardless of the cinematic critique swirling about her partner's work. In the world of fashion and film, she is an emblem of timeless beauty and perseverance. As we celebrate Claudia and Matthew's achievements, let's not forget to laugh a little. Why don't we ever see Claudia and Matthew at the beach, because they're too busy as making waves in Hollywood. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, we'll see you next time.